Morning all. In this series of engineering materials and metallurgy, next point from the unit number 1 of crystal structure and deformation of material is imperfections in crystal. So basically, which is not perfect or perfection is imperfect or imperfections. So crystals are like people. It is the defects that tend to make them interesting. So it means in all the situation, imperfection is not neglected. Sometimes it is helpful also. So how it is, we will discuss in detail. So imperfection is nothing but the defects. So defects in crystals. Defect or imperfection is used to describe any deviation from an orderly array of lattice point. So how much amount of deviation is there with a reference to specific arrangement of lattice points. The required properties are achieved without changes in composition of the material, but just by manipulating the crystal defects. So it is necessary to have manipulating some crystal defects. Imperfections or defects may occur due to different reasons. It includes alloying element, plastic deformation, grain boundaries. Defects have profound impact on the macroscopic properties of the material. So which are the different imperfections in crystals are listed as lattice vibrations are there, due to which there is imperfections. Zero dimensions defect, it is referred as point defect. It includes impurities and different vacancies. One dimension defects, it is referred to line defect. It is due to edge dislocation and screw dislocation. Two dimension defects, it is surface defect, and it is due to grain boundaries, twin boundaries, stacking faults, low angle grain boundaries. So classification, it is on the basis of dimensionality. Zero defect, you can say 0 degree effect, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3rd degree. So 0 degree, it is in the reference of point defects. So it consists of vacancy, impurity, Frankel defect, Schottky defect. Line defect or 1D defect, it is, you can say 1 degree defect. Edge dislocation, screw dislocation, mixed dislocation. 2D or a surface defect includes surface, interface boundary, grain boundary, twin boundary, stacking faults. Volume or 3D defect consists of twin, precipitate, faulted region, void or cracks, thermal vibration. So zero dimension defect, it is point defect. So it is categorized in two basic category, ionic crystal and non-ionic. So about the point defects. So a perfect crystal with a regular arrangement of atom cannot exist. So naturally 100% efficiency is not able to achieve. In the similar manner, a crystal without imperfection is not possible. So there are always defects, and the most common defect which is observed is point defect. So figure shows different point defects in crystal. It consists of vacancy, safe interstitial impurity, substitutional impurities. They are numbered as shown in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what do you mean by vacancy? If there is any atom